Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python lambda. So lambda function is a small anonymous function. So it can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. Okay, so in that case, what is the syntax of the lambda? Lambda arguments expression, and the expression will be is executed and the result is returned. So here I am going to write one example so you will be able to understand it properly. So x equal to lambda, then I will write a plus 5, print x of, and then 10. For example, I am going to write it like this. So once I'll run this particular code on screen, you can see that if I'm going to run this code, I am getting the output as a 15. So it will automatically add the number and you will get the output as a 15. So lambda function can take any number of arguments. Okay, any number of arguments you can provide. Let me just write few numbers of arguments here. Okay, let me see what is an issue. Okay, I have to write it like this way. Yeah. So on screen, it will add all these number, and now on screen, you can see that we got the value as 60. So these are the few kinds of numbers you can write. This is how you can write it. It is one of the easy method you can write it. So I hope you understood how to do that. There are few more examples I have written here. You can read this example and work on it. So why we use the lambda here? The power of lambda is better shown when you use them as an anonymous function inside the other function. Okay, so I have given one more example here. You can see on screen that def my function of n return lambda a into n. So then you will write my double and then the functions that is mentioned over that. So these are the few kinds of term you can work on it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you so much.